Here is going to be my video on winter layering. When it comes to a winter scenario, you always want to go in layers because you never want to sweat. If you sweat, you die. Just remember that. Because if you sweat, like let's say you're sweating when you go to bed, you're going to be relaxing. And then the air is going to get to you, you're going to get cold, and then the sweat on you is pretty much just going to freeze, and then you're just going to get hypothermia and die. So you want to go in layers so that you can take off layers so that you stop sweating. And then if you get really cold, you put the layer back on. And you just keep doing that. It gets kind of annoying, but that's how it's got to work if you want to stay alive. So the first layer I have is this Under Armour camouflage long sleeve. It's thin, but it's still one layer. On top of that, I just have a brown t-shirt. It's a little bit thicker. And then on top of that, I have an orange sweater. Sometimes I'll wear this brown one, but today I was wearing this one. And then, last but not least, the thicker jacket, which has fleece in the middle. Right there, it's all white. And this jacket is actually part of my kit. Right here, I have this waterproof container. In it, I have duct tape, 2 rolls of it by Adventure Medical Kits, a wet fire, some Strike Anywhere matches in there, a whistle from Bear Grylls, some aluminum foil, and inside the 2 rolls of duct tape, one of them has a pencil, and the other one has a little bit of a ferrocerium rod that I broke off of one. Also, in the arm pocket, I have some Lipsol, some matches, and take it out. In a mini Altoids tin. It's hard to open. I have some safety pins, whole assortment of them, and some Kleenex. This Kleenex is used so that my arrowhead doesn't fiddle around, but you can also use it as a fire starting material. This is my arrowhead. It's made out of flint. It's very pointy. I even sharpened it up a little bit on the sides here. It's really nice. I like it a lot. And this is in the mini Altoids tin. I just keep it in my shoulder so I have a potential fire starting and hunting. Also, if it gets really, really cold, I live in Canada up here, so in northern Canada, so it's pretty cold up here, and sometimes I'll use my wool blanket. It's not 100% wool, it's only about 60%, but it's still warm, and I'll wear it over myself and then use the 2 pebbles, like what Mike Dixon says on his channel, which is Walter Rock Climber. He makes some good videos. You guys should all know this is a shemagh. Shemaghs are used, they're pretty much called Indian scarves. And it works perfectly as a scarf, and then you can put it all over your face to keep your cheeks and stuff warm. I have these 2 gray gloves. This is just for if I was sitting by the fire or sleeping in my shelter. I have this camouflage one that I could use for my bow and arrow when I'm hunting. I have these 2 work gloves. They're pretty much just biking gloves. And then I have this toque. Can't really see it right there. It's a nice toque. And need to do a repair on it. There's a hole in the top. So yeah, that's just my winter layering video. Okay, thanks.